Top 5 richest YouTubers in the world in 2024. 1. Jeffree Star. YouTube followers, 15.8 meters. Net income, $200 million. Jeffree Star is among the most successful YouTube influencers, earning huge income from deals with brands and cosmetics lines, including his own brand. 2. Beast. YouTube followers, 246 meters. Net income, $54 million. Beast is one of the most successful content creators of the moment. On his YouTube channel, he usually uploads quite extravagant videos, showing how he gives thousands of dollars to people in different challenges. 3. Jake Paul. YouTube followers, 20.6 meters. Net income, $45 million. American YouTubers and internet personalities Jake have been making videos on YouTube since he was a child. 4. PewDiePie. YouTube followers, 111 meters. Net income, $40 million. Felix Jelberg is a platform legend who is the owner of the PewDiePie YouTube channel. 5. Markiplier. YouTube followers, 36.5 meters. Net income, $35 million. Markiplier is a famous YouTube channel. Markiplier, whose real name is Mark Edward Fishbach, is one of the richest YouTubers in the world.